are, guys, at Thorpe Park's Shark Cabins. There's reception just here on the left. Swarm there in the background. We go through the shark. All bits of old theming, old rhyme signs. It's the old Logger's Leap. So we've got a few tables and chairs outside of all the rooms. Split into two blocks, front and back as well. There's a little smoking area down there. And we're in room 210. Just the first one here.
Hello, welcome to a very wet day at Thorpe Park.
Right, we're here at the Shark
Hi Josh.
Cabins.
Yeah,
as you
down
said,
in
at Thorpe Park.
Yeah.
This is the view from the front of the room. This is Lake View room. You can see the entrance to Thorpe Park is just over there. Let's look around the lake. You can hear stealth and swarm in that background there.
Right.
If we go into
It's small,
the cabin,
but
these are all made up of shipping containers. So there you got the normal Thorpe Park, an island like no other.
is that that's changing colour?
Yeah.
That's cute.
You've got light switches above the double bed there that control the two lights on either side and the main light, but not
Oh, you
the doesn't control that. You have to do that from up there. You've also got your aircon there, just normal up and down, and put the fans on. As there's four of us in here, we've got the two bunks. If you are here with just three or less, that one does push, the bunk bed does push up and over, so it's out of the way.
But that's made up for something.
You've also got under bed storage there.
Not massive,
And
but
down there. Enough to put a wheelie suitcase, I think, or a rucksack or something. You've got
you've got
three drawers per set.
And you've
Little
got
cubby there.
little hangers, so you can hang coats.
Right, okay. You've also got your tea and coffees, hot chocolates, and a bottle of water there.
Yeah, because you can't drink the water from here.
Right, okay.
Need more bottled water, just ask a reception.
Well, that's good, so we can get some.
We can get some more, because
Excellent.
I'll need that.
You also get this when you arrive with all the details of check-in times. You've got to check out by 10 AM. There's nothing going on park at the minute, no Mardi Gras or anything, but you do get free Wi-Fi. You can come and go as you please even when the park's shut. You get a ticket to get in and out of the car park. Once you've used it, you can get another one at reception. You do get free fast track between 10 AM and 11 AM the day after. They also do ask you to put that on so they know what day your fast passes are, I'm guessing, and what day you're checking out.
Yeah. That's it.
There's also a buffet breakfast included, which is up at the Vibe, I think.
Oh yeah, we'll show you that. Well, that'll be a separate vlog because we'll do that tomorrow.
So the bathroom.
Yeah. We both can't fit in here.
Okay, so you've got plenty of towels up there.
Yes.
And there's some more spare towels just down there and spare
Say
toilet
plenty.
roll. There's another 2 down here as well.
Big ones.
Biggish ones here.
Okay. There's a couple of towels. Oh, look at that. Shall I get out? You can get.
This is just like a wet room in here. So there's your shower, overhead rainfall shower there. Back out. So that's the bathroom.
Oops.
The only window there is in here is on the door.
Oh yeah, that's
Should we
me
take that
also.
off? So you can see the view through there. You also get this to put over. So you either can put your counting sharks if you're in the room chilling out. Or if you're out and about,
When you want
can-
your room cleaned up, you put that.
you're out here and you're probably 200 foot up in the air on stealth. So feel free to come in.
Well, I think Curtis.
We'll leave that like that for now. So yeah guys, that is our room review here at the Shark Cabins. What I'll do, I'll just take you a little walk around the outside of the cabin so you can see the different facilities. You can see the lake down there. We go all the way down. I'd probably come the wrong way, they'd have been quicker going the other way, but you can get an evening meal up at the Vibe. I think it's about £25 per person. And there's a little area down here. I guess in the summer will be open to serve food, drinks. If you got your own picnics and stuff, you can sit down there. And from here you can see into the theme park. You can see Detonator there. The top of depth charge. If we go around there, you can see a bit of flying fish, tidal wave, and there's Swarm, and there's Stealth as well. There's Stealth just going over. So there you go guys. That's a quick look around the Shark Cabins here at Thorpe Park and a look at our room. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all real soon.